Hello everyone, welcome to another GoHighLevel video tutorial and guide. Today in this video, I will show you how to install GoHighLevel chat widget on your website. Before we get started, if you want to get a full access to GoHighLevel tools and features for 30 days, you can get a 30-day free trial on GoHighLevel with our link down below. It's the first link. This is for everyone that is watching this video. Now let's get started with this video. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to first go and create a sub account that is connected to your business. Now what you want to do is you want to go to your agency dashboard, or actually sub accounts here, and you want to create a new sub account here. And what you want to do is you want to enter a snapshot that represents your sub account, right? You have CrossFit snapshot, day spa, you have gym. Let's say we're a gym. Let's click select and continue. And what we want to do is we want to exit out of it, and here we want to actually find our gym. So let's say our gym is this gym sports bar in New York City. Let's say this is our gym, and what we want to do is we want to click on that result, and we want to enter all our name here and just fill it in just so we have this information for our sub account. Now this is obviously not needed for this step, but yeah, it is definitely a great great information and additional info that you can submit. So next thing that you want to do is you want to go to that sub account. So let's say Goals Gym, this is my sub account, and as you can see, once you go here, you will already have this right here option to connect a widget. Now, as you can see, generate leads from your website by connecting a web chat widget. The chat widget status check may not be accurate if the widget code is not directly embedded in the website. So you can click continue here, and as you can see, you will need to enter an example of your website. For example, what we're going to do is we're going to do this website. This is basically a website that I already have. By the way, I think you actually need to go with the HTTP. I am not sure. So HTTPS and then this, and then what we're going to do is we're going to basically do it like this. So you basically need to go here and you need to paste the address like this, HTTP or HTTPS, and then click continue. Now from there, as you can see, once that is going on, we have to wait for it to load up. And once it's loaded up, as you can see, we will need to select which website builder are we using. Now, if you're using one of these website builders, it will be very simple to connect the GoHighLevel chat widget to. It's very simple. Most of you will probably use WordPress or Shopify. I'm not sure if most of you will use like Squarespace, Duda, or Weebly, or Joomla. But as you can see, if you don't have any options other than this, you can go here and click I don't know. And then you will need to go through the installing web chat on your website. You will need to sign in into a CMS account, or you will need to just copy this website or widget code into your body. I'm sure, yeah, into your body basically. So what you want to do is you're going to copy this and just paste this into your body of your website. And as you can see, right here it says copy and paste the widget snippet right before the body. However, if you if you already have like a if you already have like a WordPress or something like that, you can click here, yes, I can install plugin, click start install, and then this will lead you through the entire process on how to install the GoHighLevel chat widget. It's very simple. Again, if you want to experience GoHighLevel fully, you can get a 30-day free trial with our link down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.